Click Pipeline Manager. Click the pipeline that has the templates you want the AI composer to build. You can edit your pipeline templates in this vertical pipeline view by clicking the three dots on the stage with the Assign Template, then clicking Assign Templates. And then from here, if you click the Edit button, you will see the AI message composer to help you build your template. However, I prefer to edit my templates in the Pipeline Builder view. To go to this view, click the Pipeline Builder button. Scroll down until you find the template you want to build using AI. Click the Edit button. Click the AI Message Composer button. You'll see the original template here. You'll see the template crafted by AI here. You can put your prompt or change in this box here. For example, I want to create a first message to connect with my leads. I'm going to request to write a first message to connect with my prospect in a DM. When I'm satisfied with my prompt, simply click Send Request to AI. You can see the new template crafted by AI here. If you want to rewrite this message, simply click the button that says Rewrite Message. If you want to make this template funny, click the Suggested button that says Funny. Play around with the prompt box and suggested requests until you're satisfied with your message template. When you're ready to apply this new template into your template box, click Apply Changes. You can make any final edits you want, such as adding a name variable. For example, instead of saying there, you want to have the prospect's name included. Simply select it, delete it, click Add Variable, click Lead Values, click First Name. Now when you go to send this message, the name will be auto-populated here. When you're ready, click Save Changes. You'll see your new template here. You can continue to use the AI Composer to build the rest of your templates in your pipeline by repeating these steps. To see this message in action, go to the pipeline view. This card is in the stage with the assigned template that we just built using AI. Click the social media icon on the card. This template has now been copied to your clipboard, so when you paste, you will see the template we just built. As you can see here, the name was populated into this template. When you are ready to send your message, simply click Send. There you go. You just sent your first message built by AI.